Let's make Finnish potato salad and wieners. Very nice and tasty cold salad for summertime. Let's take potatoes, sweet onion, some pickles and capers. Then first slice the potatoes and cook them as small. They will cook more faster this way. Add only water just until the level of potatoes. Add some salt. Then chop the onion to fine pieces and the same with the pickles. Then we'll make the sauce. We have here some Greek yogurt, then some mayonnaise, then of course black pepper, a bit of salt, a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix everything and then let's add some more. Here's mustard, a bit of garlic powder, and then of course the capers to the salad as well. If the potatoes are still hot from cooking, wait until they are cool and then mix everything. This salad needs to be in the fridge, preferably until next day. It will make the taste extra delicious. Then this time we'll boil the sausages, or these are wieners, hot dogs, any kind of small sausages. This is the traditional way to boil them and then enjoy them hot and with cold salad.